Dr. Marcus Chen had dedicated 15 years of his life to the quantum displacement theory, never imagining that tonight would be the night everything changed forever. The calculations were perfect, but as the machine surged beyond intended parameters, Marcus realized with horror that some variables simply couldn't be accounted for. In the fraction of a second before the displacement field collapsed, Marcus felt his very atoms being pulled apart and reassembled in ways that defied the laws of physics. When consciousness returned, Marcus found himself in what appeared to be his lab, but everything was wrong, decayed, twisted, as though decades or even centuries had passed in an instant. The view outside confirmed his worst fears. This wasn't his world, but some horrific alternate reality where the laws of nature had taken a drastically different path. Strange symbols covered what remained of his equipment. Mathematical constants he recognized, but with values that should have been impossible, suggesting fundamental differences in this reality's physics. He wasn't alone. Entities that defied description moved through the shadows of the lab, their very presence warping the space around them as they searched for the anomaly that had entered their domain. Using salvaged components, Marcus raced to reconstruct a scaled-down version of his displacement device, knowing that the entities were closing in and sensing his quantum signature that didn't belong in their world. The portal was unstable and barely large enough for him to crawl through. But with the creatures only seconds away, Marcus knew it was his only chance to escape this nightmare reality. As he fought to pull himself through the collapsing gateway, Marcus felt the cold grip of the entities on his legs pulling him back, and he realized with horror that even if he escaped, part of this world would come with him. Back in what appeared to be his original reality, Marcus slowly began to realize the terrible truth. He hadn't escaped at all, but had instead brought the nightmare back with him, infecting his own world bit by bit with each passing day.